If you want to take your hosting a website offline quickly and safely, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Whether you are working on a WordPress site or hosting a website builder site, there's a simple built-in option that lets you hide your site from visitors while you make changes behind the scenes. This is especially useful when you are redesigning your site, fixing content, or preparing for a launch. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if your site is built with WordPress on Hostinger, log into your hPanel dashboard. Once you are inside, go to the website section. Here, find the WordPress site you want to take offline and click Manage next to it. This will open your hosting management options for that specific website. From there, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to WordPress, then click Overview. Inside the Overview area, scroll until you find the Core Settings section. In that section, you will see Maintenance Mode. Simply toggle Maintenance Mode on, and your WordPress site will be taken offline for visitors. This is the easiest way to temporarily disable public access while you work on updates or changes. Now, if you are using the Hostinger website builder instead, the process is a little different, but still very easy. Start by logging into hPanel again, then go to Websites and click Edit Website for the builder site you want to hide. This will take you into the website editor. On the left panel, click Pages and Navigation. Once that opens, scroll down until you find Other Pages. Under that section, look for Coming Soon and switch it to On. After enabling it, go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Publish, depending on what you see in your editor. That step is important because it saves your changes and makes the Coming Soon page live. Once that is done, your site will no longer show your regular pages to visitors and will display the Coming Soon experience instead. So to recap, WordPress sites use maintenance mode in the WordPress overview settings, while hosting a website builder sites use Coming Soon mode from pages and navigation. Both methods are fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect when you need to take a hosting a website offline temporarily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hosting tutorials, WordPress tips, and website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.